welcome back to my channel. I will be doing a get ready with me today. I have some errands to run, and then I also have a game night tonight, so the girl's trying to look decent. So you're probably gonna think that I always use the same thing for my brows, because I do. I'm like addicted to Anastasia Dip Brow. I use either the caramel color or the dark brown. I always do my brows first, just because they take me longer than all the other steps. I mean, other than eyeshadow, I always just work on my eyes first and then go on to my foundation, because if I get like fallout, etc., then it's harder to clean up rather than just not having anything on my face and I just wipe it off. So there's a new product that I've been using, and I really like it. They're saying that it's the dupe to the Tarte $27 concealer. It is this CoverGirl True Blend Undercover. But so far I've been loving it to carve out the brows, maybe even a little bit under the eye. It is a little heavy for my under eye preference, so I don't typically use it under my under eye, but I mainly just use it around my brows or to conceal up little spots that I have. The applicator looks just like the Tarte doe foot. It's like exactly like it. We'll say though, it's matte, but not as matte and drying as the Tarte Shape Tape. So this is my palette that I created with all my Anastasia products that I had for eyeshadows, and I love it. I depotted all my palettes to create this palette, and I take this everywhere with me.